doctors. I am here today to introduce you to upcoming live conferences held for we the dentist community. Doctors. As promised and committed to our pioneer, we the dentist group members, today we are proud and happy to announce the first We the Dentist online conference. The topic for this conference will be Dental Loupe, a paradigm shift in private dental practice in India. Doctors, did you know in last 1 year, more than top 20% of the dentists in India have already got dental loupes as a part of modernizing their private dental practice, and also helping out their backbone from future issues. Intention of this topic is to acknowledge all our members regarding the modern dental loupes, and one of the main aim will be to correct all the misconceptions and misbelief we have regarding dental loupes and their learning curve. We can guarantee at the end of this discussion you will be up to date with all the recent advancements and knowledge that you need to select a perfect dental loupe for you. Conference will be held on the 14th of July, 2024 from 3 p.m. onwards and will be free to attend. This conference will be held on our official application, Teachment Tuition. All the necessary details are mentioned in the description box. Doctors, you have to be a part of We the Dentist Community WhatsApp group in order to attend this conferences for free. Being a part of this, We the Dentist Community on WhatsApp is also free, and the steps for it are also mentioned in the description box. Few information regarding the topic of this conference. Conference will be held live, and for the doctors who are not able to attend it live, recordings will be available in the recording section on our application. Doctors, following are some of the aspects related to dental loupes that we will discuss in this conference. 1. Introduction to We the Dentist Community. 2. Why you must have loupes. 3. Different type of loupes. 4. How to select a perfect and long-lasting loupes for you. 5. Different parts and components of loupes. 6. Different qualities in loupes. 7. Application of loupes in different daily dental treatments. 8. Maintenance of loupes. 9. Servicing and the time frame required for it. 10. Buying guide for best and perfect dental loupes. Doctors, we will have a special inaugural offer for all our We the Dentist community members and our gold members of We the Dentist community on the day of this conference, so make sure to attend it on time. Lastly, few easy steps to attend this conference for free. First, click on the WhatsApp group link given in the description box and send a request. You will receive a personal DM from the admin. Follow the instructions given in the message, which will ask you to confirm yourself as a practicing dentist. This is a compulsory step for all the community members to avoid spammers and unwanted people in the community group. Once you have completed this step, you will receive a few list of rules to be followed in the community group. Once you read the rules, send a confirmation reply message that you agree to the rules. Once we receive your confirmation on rules, you will be part of We the Dentist community. After that, please download the free application, Teachment Tuition, create a free account as a student, and then join the classroom using the link provided to you in our We the Dentist community chat. So doctor, this is all regarding our first of many more to come. Live conference for We the Dentist community. See you all soon. Thank you.